What is going on, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the 3 most common reasons why small businesses fail, and honestly something I wish I had known a little bit more about when I was first starting out, because I am sure that things would have gone a lot smoother and I wouldn't have made as many mistakes and my business growth would have been much faster. But before we talk about that, we just released the Next Level course. It's finally out and it takes everything I've learned over the past 20 years, including those mistakes and how I corrected them, and compresses it into a value-packed curriculum that shows you how to successfully scale your business and get off the truck, running things from your office or wherever you are, gaining both your financial freedom and time freedom. If that sounds like something for you, then check out the first link below and you will see a complete outline of everything you're gonna get in the course, including all of the bonuses, and get that founder's deal before it fills up. Okay, so let's talk about the top 3 reasons small businesses fail in 2021. The first is the lack of capital, and you're not always gonna have a war chest when you first get started, but if you don't charge enough when you are first starting out, you never will. So what is a war chest? That is the money that you have set aside for scaling your business, buying or replacing equipment. What if your truck breaks down, or God forbid something happens and you can't work? An injury or a health scare. Trust me, I know. I was in a coma for almost a month in 2019. In order to be able to accumulate funds for your war chest, you need to run a profitable business. If you don't know your overhead, and if you don't know the actual cost to do a job, there's no way to price or quote accurately. And if you're not pricing based on these things, there is no way to know if you're profitable. Without profits, what is the point? We don't do this to stay busy. We do this to turn a profit, which helps build for the future. If you're not making money, your business will fail. Don't get sucked into the mentality that you need to lower your price to beat your competition. Yeah, it can get pretty saturated with other pressure washing companies, but the customers you want aren't going to go with the cheapest guy. They are going to go with the one that they have the most confidence in. Knowing your costs, knowing your market, knowing your target customer, and pricing accordingly will help you avoid this pitfall. Another reason why many businesses fail is they have a faulty infrastructure. Let's face it, the easiest part of owning a pressure washing business is the actual pressure washing. Anyone can learn that. The most difficult part is actually running the business. It's easy to let things fall through the cracks when you're out there working every single day. Everything from missed calls or calls that weren't returned in time and the customer hired someone else, to getting quotes done in a timely and efficient manner. What about the scheduling, the invoicing, the follow-up needed to retain customers for the long haul? Having the infrastructure in place to ensure that all of this is done without fail is essential in the success of your small business. Most small business owners start a business and don't have a firm understanding of what it takes to keep everything organized and efficient, which leads many to closing the door and going back to clocking in somewhere and working for someone else. Don't be that guy. The last one, and one of the biggest reasons that most small businesses fail, is unsuccessful marketing initiatives. The marketing funnel is a means by which you will acquire customers. If your phone doesn't ring, if your website has no traffic, you're going to be sitting around with a bunch of extra time on your hands, and that ain't good. Without a multifaceted marketing plan, your company's growth will be slow and could even stall out. You need both short and long-term marketing strategies in place from the beginning to get new customers, as well as giving existing customers the ability to learn about other services you offer or about upcoming specials. Without that, you are reducing the chances of them becoming a repeat customer. Even though the rate of business failure in the first 2 years is around 20%, that doesn't mean that your business is going to fail. Through research, planning, and flexibility, you can avoid the pitfalls of a new business and be part of the 25% that make it to 20 years and beyond. Knowledge, education, and utilizing technology are going to help make that happen. Don't start off on the wrong foot. Make changes now. Regardless of how long you've been in business, it's not too late to make changes that will help you grow. Hopefully, the information on this channel will help guide you in the right direction and steer you away from these 3 things. If you're at a point in your business where you are ready to scale to the next level, but you just don't know how to do it, definitely check out the link in the description below. This is a game changer for your business and can actually be implemented at any stage in the game. These are proven strategies that I wish I would have known about when I was a much younger man. Listen, the founder's deal is filling up. We're about at 50% capacity and more folks are signing up every single day. Don't miss out on those cost savings, and if you made it this far and you got anything from this video, comment below. It helps. We really appreciate you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you at the next level.